Hello everyone, I'm Tony, sales manager at Asia Odyssey Travel. Imagine if Studio Ghibli's dreamy charm met National Geographic's awe-inspiring realism. That's exactly what our 3-day Sun Moon Lake Alishan group tour feels like. Let me tell you why this journey is so special. On day 1, arrive in Taipei, where modern skyscrapers like Taipei 101 rise beside centuries-old temples. Night markets buzz with life, offering everything from bubble tea to stinky tofu. Make your way to the hotel and rest. Check-in instructions will be sent via Line, WeChat, or WhatsApp. If you arrive early, head to Taipei 101 for city views. In the evening, explore Shilin Night Market with over 500 food stalls, or Linjiang Night Market, just 18 minutes walk from Taipei 101. Your first taste of Taipei life. Day 2. After breakfast, we drive about 3.5 hours to Sun Moon Lake, Taiwan's largest freshwater lake, and one of its 8 great sites. On the way, stop to DIY pineapple cakes, crisp, milky, and melt in your mouth, symbolizing good luck. Now it's your turn to make your own. Book 7 days in advance. The lake sits at 748 meters above sea level, 116 square kilometers of emerald water divided by Lalu Island, Sun Lake to the north, run like the sun, and Moon Lake to the south, crescent-shaped. Mountains surround the lake, pagodas peek through the trees, and sunlight dances on the water. This is the famous Jumping Sunshine. Take a sightseeing yacht counterclockwise. Xuxi Pier, Xuanguang Temple Pier, Itathao Pier, Xuxi Pier, past Lalu Island, legendary home of Thao ancestral spirits. Disembark at the Xuanguang Pier, taste the tea eggs, stroll to Xuanguang Temple, then visit Xuanzang Temple to see Master Xuanzang's relics. Finally, ascend the Qian Pagoda for panoramic views. Return to Itathao Pier, enjoy indigenous delicacies, and return to Shuishi Pier. Day 3. Wake up in the midst of Sun Moon Lake, then drive 2.5 hours to Alishan, legendary mountain praised for its breathtaking forests. On the way, taste Alishan High Mountain Tea, crisp, sweet, and fragrant. One sip and Alishan comes alive in a cup. Explore Alishan National Forest recreation area, over 2,000 meters above sea level. Ride the iconic Alishan Forest Railway, one of only 3 high mountain railways worldwide. Red carriages weave through mist and ancient cedars, pure magic. Choose your route. Nature route, culture route. Thank you for choosing Asia Odyssey Travel. We craft every moment with care, blending culture, nature, and hands-on experiences to ensure a seamless, unforgettable 3-day journey through Taipei, Sun Moon Lake, and Alishan. If you want to explore more Asian destinations or travel tips, subscribe to our channel for exclusive inspiration.